Hey hustlers, welcome to Money Hustle 360, where we turn your skills into cash. Today, we're diving into the 10 best freelance jobs that pay $50 or more per hour. And guess what? No experience needed. Whether you're looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind or just want to earn some extra income, these gigs are perfect for you. Let's get started. First up, virtual assistant. As a VA, you'll help businesses or entrepreneurs with tasks like email management, scheduling, and social media. The best part? You can earn $20 to $50 an hour, and with a bit of experience, you can easily hit $50 or more. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to start. No degree? No problem. Just showcase your organizational skills. Next, freelance writing. If you have a way with words, you can write blogs, articles, or even ebooks for clients. Rates range from $50 to $500 per article, and you can find gigs on sites like ProBlogger or Contena. No experience? Start by creating a portfolio of writing samples. The more you write, the more you earn. Social media managers are in high demand. You'll create content, schedule posts, and engage with followers for brands. With rates starting at $25 an hour, this is a great way to turn your social media savvy into a paycheck. Check out LinkedIn or remote.co for opportunities. As you gain experience, you can easily charge $50 or more per hour. Love teaching? Become an online tutor. You can teach subjects like math, English, or even music. Platforms like VIPKid and Tutor.com pay $15 to $40 an hour. Bonus, you don't need a teaching degree, just expertise in your subject. With a bit of experience, you can charge $50 or more per hour for specialized tutoring. If you're creative, graphic design could be your calling. Design logos, websites, or marketing materials for clients. Freelancers earn $25 to $100 an hour, and you can find work on platforms like 99 Designs or Behance. All you need is a portfolio to showcase your skills. Start small, and as you build your reputation, you can charge top dollar. Transcription is another great option. You'll convert audio files into written documents. It's straightforward and pays $15 to $30 an hour. Companies like Rev and TranscribeMe are always hiring, no experience necessary. With practice, you can increase your speed and charge $50 or more per hour for specialized transcription work. Web development is a lucrative field. Even if you're a beginner, you can learn coding through free resources like Free Code Camp or Codecademy. Freelance developers earn $50 to $150 an hour, and demand is skyrocketing. Start with small projects, and as you gain experience, you can charge premium rates. Turn your love for thrifting into a business. Buy items at a discount and resell them on platforms like eBay or Poshmark. Many resellers make $500 to $5,000 a month. It's all about finding the right niche. With a bit of hustle, you can easily earn $50 or more per hour flipping items. Got a great voice? Voiceover artists narrate audiobooks, commercials, and more. Rates start at $100 per project, and you can find gigs on voices.com. All you need is a good microphone and a quiet space. With experience, you can charge $50 or more per hour for your talent. Finally, affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale. With the right strategy, you can make $500 to $10,000 a month. Start with platforms like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. While it's not hourly, the potential to earn $50 or more per hour is huge once you scale your efforts. Ready to get started? Here are a few tips. First, build a portfolio to showcase your skills. Second, set competitive rates and increase them as you gain experience. Third, network with other freelancers and clients to find opportunities. And finally, always deliver high-quality work to build your reputation. And there you have it. 10 freelance jobs that pay $50 or more per hour. No experience needed. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, hustle smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.